Hey everybody, welcome to a new video. If you're on this page right now watching this video, then that probably means you're either seeing this on YouTube or you're on the autopilotpassiveincome.com website and seeing this. This video is an introduction to the Rocket Tagger course. As you guys know, there's a company out there called botsandapps.gumroad.com. I'll just go ahead and show you guys what I'm talking about. This website is a place where they offer all different types of tools, some related to print on demand and some not related to print on demand. One of those many tools is called the Redbubble Rocket Tagger. I've gotten comments and questions and concerns for a very long time about this tool. A lot of questions, people requesting tutorials, a lot of things like that. And what this tool does and what it's responsible for is it's essentially finding you the most optimal tags for a certain scenario. And that scenario is with Redbubble when you perform a search. Now, we've created a few videos on this tool before. We've shown some tutorials on this tool, but we never actually put out a course specifically for this tool. And I realized that with the way I was using this tool, it came down to two main methods, right? The first method and the second method. Now, the first and the second method are not interchangeable, meaning it's not do one or the other. There's a specific circumstance, a specific set scenario for each method, for each essentially strategy, right? Now, I'm not going to share what those strategies are because we've shared them in the course. Now, you guys know with any course that we do, what we like to do is we like to put it at a discounted price in the beginning and then slowly work our way up as we add more content. Currently, just to show you guys what's inside of the course, we'll get to that in just a second, but there is, I believe, over 2 hours of content already on the course. Now, what the course is not some sort of click tutorial to show you how to use the software. That's not what this is, and I want to be extremely clear on that. This is, you guys, and I've said this in the course, but anybody with zero experience can download the tool and figure out how to use it within 5 to 10 minutes. It doesn't take a genius to figure it out. What really this course is about is using it in specific set scenarios properly, right? Anybody can hit a button, find the right tags to use, and just copy and paste with no purpose, with no aim, with no goal. But that's not really what this course is for. This course is just really made to maximize the effectiveness of the tool. Now, this course is not going to be for everybody. If you plan to use the Redbubble Rocket Tagger tool frequently, then this course might be for you. If you just want to get an upper hand learning how to use it better, and when I say learning how to use it, once again, I'm not talking about clicking one button and then making tags appear. I'm not talking about the actual logistics step-by-step clicking of it. Even though that is in the course, that's not what the aim or the goal of the course was. The aim and the goal of the course is to use this tool to increase your tag effectiveness, to be able to increase the skills behind your tagging, right? To be able to scrape for certain tags or find certain tags, and then to be able to decipher which tags are good and which tags are not good, depending on the set scenario. And like I said, we have two main methods or two strategies that we're going to be utilizing when we use this tagger. Now, a lot of people might bring up the question, well, I got the other course, the Redbubble tagging course. And if you guys remember, the original Redbubble tagging course is not something that's different from this course, meaning it's not something that's an alternative. The Redbubble tagging course is not just Redbubble tagging, but it's Redbubble SEO as well. So specifically, how people find your work. And that's really what the course was about. It was really going behind the scenes and understanding the algorithms, not just through Redbubble, but Google as well. Figuring out how to get your designs to acquire essentially more traffic from Redbubble and from Google. We call this organic, or we call it SEO, search engine optimization. And what that course was all about was learning how to tailor your work to get those benefits, to get, the right tags on your design, to essentially get the traffic from the tags from Redbubble, to get the traffic from Google. But that is not is separate to what this course is. This course is simply a continuation in a different light, a different spectrum. There are some people who would never use this tagging tool. Well, then in that case, this tagging tool and this course is not for you. Very simply put. The only people or the only group of people that this course is for people who want to tag but want to use the tool to help them tag. That's what this course is for. This course is once again not made for the people who want to tag without the tool. Okay? So this is not for everybody. Just to be clear on that. If you want to get it, go ahead and get it. But I'm saying that this tool or this course is specifically to use the tool. Now, to be 100% honest and forefront with you guys, the idea is you will have to generally get the Redbubble tagging course and understand the content in that course for the content in this course to make sense. This is a continuation. It is not a replacement. This is, if you want to think of it, think of this as volume 1, which is basically all the foundations, all the fundamentals, all the basics to understanding how tagging actually works on the platform. And this is, you could think of as an extra step of volume 2. If you ended up using the tagging tool, this is how to use it properly and maximize the effectiveness for certain scenarios. Now, enough talking about the actual course. I want to call your attention to a store that I have here that I actually created this store back in September of 2021 at the start of it. And you could see here in August, we had literally 0 traffic. That's because the store wasn't created. Well, or maybe the store was created in August, I believe a couple days in August, but really there was no work on there. In September, we started going really, really hard, and we started off doing pretty decently well. Now, after September, I never really worked on that store ever again, but yet the traffic kept going up, a little bit down, of course, but then going up and up and up. And why that is and how that happens is because of the methods that we use for tagging, behind using the tool. And then after that, right, after the information, after the guides, after everything like that, what we're doing is we're including in the updates different designs that we would upload and why we would use certain tags over others and what not to use and what to use. Because a big thing and a big misconception in the Redbubble sphere, and a lot of people get this confused, is they think more is more and they think more is better. And that's not true. If I add 45 tags to my Redbubble design, it's not necessarily better. There are certain circumstances that are very, very specific as to when you wouldn't want more tags as opposed to more. You would want less. And a lot of times I use this little quote that I didn't create, but somebody else did. But they say less is more. And a lot of times that really is the case with Redbubble, but you need to know what keywords to actually use. So this is an introduction to what you can expect in the Redbubble Rocket Tagger Tool course. Now, once again, this is not a tutorial type of video or course where you could just see for free online. And what I mean by that is I'm not going to show you how to download the tool, click a few buttons, and that's it. That's not what the course is for. The course is how to use the tool effectively to get better results, how I would use it, different strategies, different methods, things like that. Anybody can go online and search a quick tutorial, 2-minute tutorial of learning how to click a few buttons. Anybody can do that. That's not what this course is for, like I said. So if this course happens to be for you, then you're probably somebody who ended up using or will use the Redbubble Rocket Tagger. If this is not you, trust me, that's perfectly fine. There's going to be other courses in the future that are really more pertaining to you and how you're going to use them. So, if that's something you guys are interested in, I'll leave the link in the description to the course, all right? I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Bye.